Hi, my name is Noah. I made the laser target. So,
Okay.
show you how it works.
I think we did. Hold that there. It's your project. I just I know your arm was, well, that's still healing.
And what causes that to happen?
So I have a light sensor in here, and my programming says when the light gets super bright, you're going to put the arm down, and when it gets darker again, you're going to put the arm back up. So,
Fun part?
Are you ready?
a fun part about building this was probably getting to drill that hole for the light sensor and attaching the light sensor. Took a lot of tape. Hard part was probably making sure this hole was big enough for the cap and the arm to go through. Had to cut it a couple times, but it's my light target.